Let's take a look at the last problem on the final exam review. We are trying to close in a parking lot using 360 feet of fencing. And then we want to figure out what dimensions of a rectangle should we create that will give us the maximum amount of area on the inside. So we want to find the length and the width. We know that the area for a rectangle is length times width. If we let the width be x and the length be 360 minus 2x, then our area is going to be 360 minus 2x times x is just length times width. We can rewrite this. If I distribute the x in, this would be 360x minus 2x squared. And just kind of rearranging it so that it looks like it's in standard form, this is negative 2x squared plus 360x. It's a quadratic. Notice that the leading coefficient is negative. It's a negative 2, which means that this parabola opens down. So indeed, we will have a maximum value to this. As we saw in the last two problems, the max or min value is always found by the vertex. It's going to be negative b over 2a. And here we're calling it the function a, so I'll call it a of negative b over 2a. So the value, x value of the vertex would be x equals the negative of b, which is 360, divided by divided by 2 times a, which is negative 2. That's going to give us negative 360 divided by negative 4, which should be positive 90. So the value for x is 90. If you wanted a of 90, this would be negative 2 times 90 squared plus 360 times 90. You could, of course, go ahead and punch this into your calculator. Which would give us, 16,200, and everything was measured in feet, so that would be feet squared, and this previous x value would have been feet. So the vertex was 90, 16,200. So we have a max area possible of 16,200 square feet. How do we get that maximum possible area? Well, our x value, which stood for the width, would have to be 90 feet. So the width would have to be 90 feet, and the length, remember the expression for the length was 360 minus 2x, so it would be 360 minus 2 times 90, which is 360 minus 180, which would be 180. So if we make our rectangle 90 feet by 180 feet, that will give us the largest possible area, and that largest possible area is 16,200 square feet.